Formatting custom class output in PyYAML. I'm working on a simple example here, but the docs still leave me a bit confused. Here is the example code. The output is exclamation mark val python/object/applied datetime.time \0\0\0\0\0\0\0 true. So, it appears to be faithfully d/serializing, but the default time object format leaves something to be desired. How can I make it prettier while preserving my mighty dump/load powers? Thanks.
Redefine time format for all times in a document. You can define your own serialization format for any datetime.time instances in your documents using PyYAML representers and constructors. Will output. Redefine time format only for a particular class. You can also define how to a particular class serializes and deserializes. This way you can just change how time is represented for only docs for YAML object. Will output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.